Scorpio. This is a Scorpio Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus reading for the month of January. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Sadness. Okay, why are you marinating yourself with sadness, Scorpio? Scorpio Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus reading, bonus reading for the month of January. Alright. Remind ko lang ulit kayo na available pa rin ang ating mga crystals. So, dun sa mga nangangailangan and those who are having manifestations about love, money, abundance, mental clarity, PM nyo lang. Okay. Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus reading. Let's see kung ano meron para sa mga Scorpio this January. Moving forward. Huwag nang sad-sad. Okay, you're trying to decide. You're trying to juggle dalawang ideas sa head mo. Dalawang tao. Yan tayo eh. Alright. You're trying to make an offer. Nisip mo, mag-offer ka na ba sa person mo ng apology, conversation, or not? Okay? For some of you, may mga, sabihin natin, kinoconsider ka kung eto na ba yung tamang tao or etong tao na to. Okay? You're trying to make a decision. But for now, sabi mo, wait lang, hindi mo pa ma-deliver ang good news dahil meron ka pang tinitimbang na considerations kung ano yung tama mong gawin. You're trying to move forward. Sabi mo, nagmamanifest ka ng financial abundance because this 2024, itong mga nakaraang araw, nagkaroon ng maraming gastos or maraming bayarin, maraming bills, na nahirapan kang mag-ipon. But sabi mo, you're trying to take care ng resources mo, yung mga kinikita mo. Pero sabi mo, it feels like for you, sabi mo, Lord, bakit ang tagal namang mag-move forward, mag-bloom nung career, or like magkaroon ng harvest time doon sa inaayos mo na negosyo. Okay, kung ano man yung source of income. May mga na-reveal din sa'yo na mga bagay na naging blockage for this financial stability of yours. Sabi ng feminine sa connection na to, importante sa kanya yung family, kids, long-term. Sabi niyo, for now, gusto mo na niyang iset aside yung mga bagay na gusto niyang simulan. Okay? Parang meron siyang nire-reveal right now in terms of finances and relationship. Anything na gustong simulan, wag muna. Okay? Kung ano yung nandito na kailangang ayusin mo na, at pag naayos na yung current situation, tsaka ka na mag-move forward sa next project or next love interest mo. Okay? Basta wala ka pang bagong gustong gawin right now. Sabi mo is, yung commotion sa buhay mo right now is enough. Okay? Enough on your plate already na kailangan mo munang ayusin. There's a masculine in your life na walang pagbabago at kino-question mo na may patutunguhan ba to? Kino-question mo rin na ito ba talaga yung deserve mo? Okay? Number one, kapag may mga questions, alam mo na ang sagot is most probably no. Okay? There's a... You're trying to figure out if your person is like entertaining other energies. And you're trying to be careful, no, if may mga taong nag-e-express ng interest sa'yo, kung single ba to in the first place before you entertain this connection. Kasi parang nagkaroon ka na ng mga past connections where nagsinungaling about being single at na-involve ka sa mga, sabihin natin, bawal na relasyon. Huwag mo akong materi-teri. Yan, ganun. So, nagdala ng broken heart, disappointment, ang mga past connections sa'yo, and you feel like parang bakit lagi na lang you're giving more, you're more invested, you're more on the giving end of the relationship. Sa sabi ng mga Scorpios, gusto naman niyang ng soft life era. Yung siya naman ang aalagaan. Okay? Pagod na siya sa mga connections, especially karmic connections, where the Scorpios feel like lagi na lang battlefield. Ang relationship. Ano ba, Scorpio? Ano ba yung mga pinipili mo? Dapat partnership. Warship. Lagi na lang may away sa connection mo. Ano ba yan? Sino ba yung mga pinipili mo? Bakit may warship dyan? Okay. So, The reason for the reading is, like, may mga inintay ka na offer, apology, conversation, love connection, mga commitment, but it feels like yung expectations mo na ito sana yung matatanggap mo ay hindi yun yung nakarating sa'yo. Okay? Expectations versus reality. Okay? So, sabi mo, you've poured enough love already sa mga connection sa buhay mo. Hindi lang love, but sa family, sa friends, na parang yung energy ng Scorpio na parang naging overgiving ka in the past para lang magkaroon ng harmony ang mga situation sa buhay mo. But I feel you're trying to balance right now, okay? Pahalagahan ng sarili. There's also, like recent past, you have the energy of you're longing to fix a relationship. You're longing to have someone in your life. Kung meron na, okay? This is the energy of gusto mong ayusin. Kung wala pa, you're longing for God to bring you someone na kasundo mo na. Okay? Ready ka naman to offer your cup of love. Akala ko ba ayaw mo ng passionate connection? Sobrang malayong past na pala yun. Okay? So, recent past, nagkakaroon ka ng energy na parang, I feel, no, yung naging disinterest mo is a past connection na sobra ka nang nasunog sa mga maling pangako, sa mga false promises. So, sabi mo is hindi ka na interesado na buhayin or i-resurrect ang mga connections na hindi naman nakabuti sa'yo. Okay? So, right now, ready ka na to offer your cup of love, sabi mo, sa isang taong deserving. And dun sa mga may anak, sabi mo, parang gusto mo nang ibuhos muna ang pagmamahal mo sa iyong mga anak. Dear Ate Charo. Alright, so, American prayers and manifestations na kung ano yung mga itinanim mo, sana magkaroon na ng harvest time, magkaroon na ng mga bunga, okay? Mag-ingat kung walang planong magkaroon ng anak, baka kung saan yung bunga na yan. Okay. So, meron kang iniisip na parang meron kang gustong kausapin na importanteng tao sa buhay mo pero nag-hold back ka kasi sabi mo in the past, sinubukan mo namang makipag-usap pero hindi naging maganda yung outcome. Sabi mo, ayaw mo na ng drama, pagod ka na. If ever nakausapin mo siya, gusto mo is peaceful, walang drama, okay? Because you feel na parang puro drama na lang ang dala ng taon na to. Right now, Scorpio, may parating na malaking blessing sa'yo, okay? But minsan iisipin mo, no, lalo na kung kaka-recover mo lang sa sakit, yung health is napakalaking blessing na para sa'yo, okay? Kung recover mo pa lang from mental anguish. yung peace of mind ay napakalaking blessing pala, no? But for most, nagfo-focus sa financial blessings and you feel, minsan naisip mo na parang you really long for someone na mas masaya siguro, sabi mo, no, if may kasama sa buhay. Your person being very sneaky, snake in the grass. Your person may dishonest energy. Snake. Snake. Why are you choosing to be with a snake? Alright. Sobra ka na natetest yung patience mo sa tao na to. Sabi mo, lagi na lang may false promises. Lagi na lang may dishonesty. So why are you choosing to still connect with this kind of snake? Deceitful energy, Scorpio? Alright, so meron ka mga doubts if dapat pang makipag-usap, magkaroon ng clarity and closure with this person. Bakit gusto mo ng closure sa snake? Gusto mo na naman bang matuklaw? Talaga naman. But nagkakaroon ka ng atras-abante energy kung tama pa ba talagang makipag-usap sa ahas. Snake. Okay. If meron ka ng trust issue sa person na to, alam mo yan, yung analogy ng snake. Kung alam mo snake, bakit mo palalapitan? Alam mo namang, you know. So I feel in the next 3 months, there's an energy here of a rush communication. Ingat, baka magkaroon na naman ng exchange of ugly, harsh, and very abusive communication. Okay? But sabi ng feminine, ang gusto lang naman niya is magkaroon ng honest communication. Okay? To balance your energy, Madagascar Rose Quartz, the pink crystal for heart and emotional healing. Sabi ng mga feminine here, gusto lang naman niya ng clarity sa situation. Because may energy of kasal or unfair situation na nangyari, gusto mo lang bigyan ng hustisya ang sitwasyon mo. Or dun sa mga may anak, parang kailangan mo lang ng suporta or like, di ba, yung para sa mga bata, okay? To connect with your intuition, that will be the amethyst to connection with the divine mental clarity. Yeah, and to protect yourself from bad energy, Madagascar Black Tourmaline. Okay, bitten. So, iyon. For me, no, kung ganito naman yung energy at sinubukan naman, especially ng feminine, na ayusin ang connection na to, but with no success, paulit-ulit na lang. And I feel hanggang ngayon, may tinatago, may sneakiness pa rin yung person mo. Hindi siya honest sa'yo. Ang question ko lang, kung wala namang honesty, bakit nandyan ka pa rin? Why are you settling for energies na nagdadala sa'yo ng emotional, ng anxieties? Alam mo yun? If wala kang tiwala sa person mo, hindi yan magdadala ng peace of mind at, kapayapaan sa buhay mo. Yeah, again, I strongly recommend for you to have a rose quartz. And that will be to balance your heart chakra, emotional healing, and to attract loving connections sa buhay mo. Mental clarity and connection with the divine would be the amethyst crystals. Lahat ng crystals natin, high quality, blessed, cleansed, and ritualized by the enlightened guide. Okay? Napaka-challenging ng pinagdadaanan ng mga Scorpios, no? Kasi, parang since the last quarter of 2024, puro challenges yung pinagdaanan. And, ito lang naman, no? May isang reading tayo na nabasa ko maganda naman. But I'm surprised na parang you're still in the same old cycle. If you're there, that means you're choosing to be there. And you're choosing to be in the same old energy, same old loop, same old cycle. And I feel for some Scorpios, pinili na nila, no, to pull themselves out of that negative situation at meron na silang buhay na gusto nila. And for some of you na nandun pa rin, dun sa hindi magandang energy ng reading na to, why? Kasi di ba yung purpose ng reading natin is for us to have better choices. But kung ano man yung nagtatale sa'yo dito sa karmic situation na to, I don't know kung gaano din ka-challenging for you to pull yourself out of the situation. Kasi iba-iba naman ng situation yung mga, di ba, even lahat kayo, Scorpio. Iba-iba yung level of attachment, difficulty, kumbaga sa computer game. Iba-iba yung level of attachment, difficulty, yung karma na meron kayo with your person. But I just pray na kung sino man yung kasama pa dito sa group ng Scorpios na who's experiencing this kind of karmic ties with your person, I pray na next reading makagawa na kayo ng better situation para maganda na yung reading natin. Alright? And that will be the Scorpio reading for the month of, bonus reading for the month of January. PM me for the high quality, blessed, cleansed, and ritualized crystals. And also, for your personal reading. Again i-recommend ko kayo na hindi ako magme-message sa inyo, hindi ako magdo-door to door para i-alok ang tarot reading. Kapag ready na kayo to have your personal reading, just send me a direct message. Alright? Bye-bye, Scorpio!